Hello students, welcome to STUDIFYSUCCESS. This is lecture 6 of Polynomials, which is chapter 2 of class 9. So today we will discuss about algebraic identities and how we can apply in questions. The first identity is x plus y ka whole square equals to x square plus y square plus 2x5. Second is x minus y ka whole square equals to x square plus y square minus 2xy. Third is x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. And fourth is x minus y into x plus y. This is equals to x square minus y square. So, first question is find the product using the suitable identity. So, question is x plus 4 into x plus 10. इसको हमें product निकालना है using the identities. So, you can see कि this question is in the form of x plus a into x plus b, where a is 4 and b is 10. So, we will apply the identity x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So here it will be x square plus 10 plus 4x, that is 14x, plus 10 into 4, that is 40. So product of x plus 4 into x plus 10 equals to x square plus 14x plus 40. Next question is find the product of x plus 8 into x minus 10. So this question is also in the form of, if you match with the identities which we have done earlier, so it is in the form of x plus a into x plus b, which is equals to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So here our a is 8 and b is minus 10. So on comparing this with the identities, now we will apply the identity. So identity is x square, then a plus bx. Here a is 8 and b is 10. So 8 plus minus 10 is minus 2x, and 8 into minus 10 is minus 18. So x plus a into x plus b equals to x square minus 2x minus 80. Next question is x plus 4 into x plus 4. Here you can see the value of a is same. So we can say this is in the form of x plus y ka whole square. So this will give me x plus y ka whole square equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy. We know x square, then 4 square plus 2xy is 2x into 4. So we know 4 square is 16, x square is x square, and 2 into 4 into x will give me 8xy. So x plus 4 का whole square equals to x square plus 16 plus 8xy. Next question is we have to factorize this question. So how we can do so is we will first look at the question. So this is 9x square. So we know this is a square of 3x, right? And this is y square. So this is square of y only, and this is 6xy. So this can be written as 2 into 3x into y. So we know that this polynomial can be factorized by using the identity x plus y ka whole square equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So here our x is 3x and y is y. So when we apply the formula, so this will give me 3x square, that is 9x square, y square, then 2 into 3x into y will give me 6xy. So after factorization, 9x square plus y square plus 6xy can be written as 3x plus y ka whole square. So now there are some more algebraic identities. So first one is x plus y plus z ka whole square. So this is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So whenever there are three variables and we have to add them and then take their square, then we will use this formula. Next is x plus y का whole cube. So this is nothing but x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. This can be also simplified as x cube plus y cube plus 3x, here xy into x will give me 3x x square y, then plus 3xy into y will give me 3xy square. Similarly, next is x minus y का whole cube. So this will give me x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. This can be further simplified as x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Next identity says x cube y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. And last is x cube plus y cube can be written as x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. And similarly, x cube minus y cube can be written as x minus y x square plus xy plus y square. So now some question based on these identities. So firstly we have to expand x plus 2y plus 4z square. So we can expand this polynomial using the identity x plus y plus z का whole square, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So here on comparing we will find x equals to जो है वो x है, y equals to 2y है and z जो है वो equals to 4z. So we will apply the formula by taking the squares first. So x का square होगा x square, 2y का जो square होगा वो होगा 4y square and 4z का जो square होगा वो होगा 16z square. Then 2xy, so यहाँ पे 2x into 2y plus 2yz, that is 2y 2 into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 4z, then 2 into 4z into x. When we will simplify, we will get x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8zx. So next question is, we have to expand 2x plus y 2x plus 1 का whole cube. So how we can expand this? So we can expand 2x plus 1 का 1 की पावर we can expand 2x plus 1 का whole cube by using the formula x plus y का whole cube. So that is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So here x equals to 2x and y equals to 1. Then when we apply the formula, so x का cube, that is 2x का cube plus y का cube, that is 1 cube, then 3xy, that is 3 into 2x into 1 into 2x plus 1. When we simplify this, we will get 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6x. So next question is, we have to factorize this, that is 27y cube plus 25z cube. So we know that 27y cube is a square of 3y. 27y cube is a cube of 3y and 125z cube is a cube of 5z. So we can factorize this using the formula x cube plus y cube equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So here our x is 3y and y is 5z. So we can write it as 3y plus 5z. Then by squaring x square, that is 3y square, 3y का whole square, that is 9y square, minus xy, that is 3y into 5z, which gives me 15yz plus y square, that is 5z square. So this will be 25z square. So this is how we can factorize this question. Next question is, we have to factorize 64m cube minus 343n cube. So we know 64 is the cube of 4 and 343 is the cube of 7. So we can use the formula x cube minus y cube, which is equal to x minus y into x square plus x square plus y square. So we can write here, after analyzing we will find कि x जो होगा वो होगा 4m and y जो होगा वो होगा 7m. So x minus y is 4m minus 7m. X square is 4m का square, that is 16m square. Xy is 4m into 7m, that is 28mn plus 7m square, that is 49 square. So we can factorize 64m cube minus 343n cube as 4m minus 7n into 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. So this is uh, our next question, which is evaluate 104 cube using suitable identity. So we can write 104 as 100 plus 4, right? And by using the formula x plus y cube equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, we can solve it as 100 per cube plus 4 per cube and 3 into xy, that is 100 into 4 into x plus y, that is 100 plus 4. On simplifying, we will get this value. So students, this is all about today's class. If you want to download the notes of this class, you can find the link in description box. Also, you can download our app STUDIFYSUCCESS for getting all the relevant materials. Thank you.